Hey Boba fam, it's Tiff and I'm finally back with a new DIY video that I hope you'll enjoy as much as you love bubble tea. First things first, you gotta gather your ingredients, and by ingredients I mean materials, of course. So I got some cotton balls, some miniature glass jars, white glue, and brown and black acrylic paints, as well as a paintbrush and a wooden chopstick. Of course, you need your polystyrene balls. I couldn't find any black ones anywhere, so I had to settle with purple, but if you do find any black or brown ones, please go for it. It'll save you a lot of trouble. The first thing I did was to paint my purple pearls black using some black acrylic paint and a little bit of water, but don't over dilute it because it's polystyrene and it's not gonna absorb your water. And this is what I did. You just mix it up and mash it up and make sure you set them to dry because you don't want the black paint mixing up with our other materials that we're gonna be using later on. Great, so now that you've prepared your first batch of black pearls, you are ready to mix up your first boba drink. First, plop in some of those black pearls and make sure they stick to the bottom of your glass jar. Push them in using a wooden chopstick or a paintbrush. Next, drizzle in some brown paint with a paintbrush. I would recommend using brown acrylic paint that is washed down and thinned out a little bit because right now the consistency for acrylic paint is a bit too thick for our brown sugar. Once that is done, add in 1 dollop of white glue and let it sink to the bottom so that it completely covers the pearls as well and mixes with the brown paint. After that, take 1 cotton ball and push it in through the mouth of the jar and let it settle on top of the pearls. And using a chopstick, just gently press down until you have secured it over the pearls so that the pearls do not slip up. After you're done and your pearls are secured, you may squeeze in some more white glue, but first you can mix in a bit more brown paint so that the white glue and the brown paint will mix up and create that fresh milk and brown sugar mix that you love in boba. Satisfied with how it looks, you may cork the jar and admire your boba drink because I'm so sorry to inform you, you may not drink this. And that is it. Here is a recap of how I made my own DIY boba, and this is my secret boba recipe that I'm sharing with all of you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. There are more to come. Do subscribe because I'll be releasing more cute DIY videos very soon.